This is New Mexico Science, Tools of a Meteorologist, Part 3. So in this lesson, students are going to expand what they know and how to find weather to wind speed, wind direction, and dew point as well. So to start this lesson off, make sure that students can go outside and measure temperature and relative humidity so that they can log that in their student workbook. To start also, you're going to have students create their anemometers and their wind flags. So to do this, all the supplies are included in the kit. And the anemometer, when it's finished, should look something like this, so that the tennis ball or the ping pong ball can hang freely. So to do this, you're just going to tape the straw between the 0 and the 180 as level as possible. Tape the piece of string in the gray circle, which is on the anemometer as well. And then tape the end of the string to the ping pong ball. Make sure that each student gets their own and they can cut out the anemometer and take them home. The wind direction flag, it's just a piece of cloth taped to a popsicle stick, so these are included as well. You'll also need the compass, the barometer, a can with some water in it, and a dry thermometer. So to find the wind speed and wind direction, students are first going to go outside and make sure that they know how to use a compass. So make sure that they know that the north needs to be under the red needle and that that's facing north. From there, they should know that east is to their right, west is to the left, and south is behind them. To find wind direction, they're just going to hold up their flag and figure out which direction the flag is blowing in the wind. So that's going to be the direction of the wind. So if the flag is blowing to their left, it's blowing to the west. To find the wind speed, they're going to take their anemometer and hold it as level as they can so that the straw is pointing into the wind. After that, they're going to just record and observe where on the dial the string ends up when the ping pong ball blows in the wind. There's a chart on the anemometer which translates the angles into the miles per hour of the wind. So make sure that students remember to write that down and use the unit miles per hour for the wind speed. Make sure that they also get a good reading of the barometer, which is the air pressure, and make sure that they're using the HPA, which is hectopascals a unit. To find the dew point, students are going to take a can with some water in it and place it outside. It's important to note that in the Southwest, the dew point can sometimes be below freezing. So if it doesn't quite, if it's not going to dew that easily, then you're going to have to wait until there's a day where the dew point is a little higher. So to find the dew point, you're just going to take a thermometer, put it in a cup of water, and then put an ice cube in the cup with the thermometer. As soon as water starts to condensate on the outside of the cup, have students record the temperature at that moment, and that's going to be the dew point for the day. So now students can record everything from temperature all the way up till dew point in their science journals.